If you want a picture of the future, imagine a boot stamping on a human face forever. The moral to be drawn from this dangerous nightmare situation is a simple one. Don't let it happen. It depends on you.
You can. Can I? You know the rules. Can I be here just like you can?
You're gonna leave, you're dismissed regardless of how long it takes. Your ego's keeping here, and you're acting like a dumbass.
Can I be here like you?
Check it out, you got vampire teeth.
Come
here,
Can I be here like you?
I swear it, come here.
Can I be here like you?
Check out his teeth, bro. This guy ain't human. Look at his teeth.
Can I be here like you?
Are you a reptilian?
Reptilians, when asked if they are reptilians, must either answer with yes or no or avoid to answer. They are not allowed to lie. This would violate metaphysical law.
I believe that the space lizard baby eaters who
He's not a space lizard.
he and Dick Cheney have some weird thing where they can't lie about it.
Listen.
Where if asked directly, they have to say yes.
Oh, you think that's a...
They can either not answer or they can't say, or they have to say yes.
So
they do anything. Tell a story about someone buying you dinner.
So you're saying that there's something ingrained in the lizardness that keeps him from saying...
From just saying, no, of course not.
They can't do that.
Make use of this knowledge. It is our greatest weapon against them.
Generation and future generations, unless people have the courage to step up and deal with it.
Just do it!
Ask police presidents, commissars, detectives, police officers, special forces members, if they are reptilians.
Do it!
Ask university presidents, deans, professors, lecturers, teachers, classmates, if they are reptilians.
Do it!
Ask celebrities, singers and Hollywood stars if they are reptilians.
Just do it!
Ask company CEOs, bosses, superiors, co-workers, colleagues, if they are reptilians.
Yes, you can! Just do it!
Ask news readers, radio hosts, commentators, media people, if they are reptilians.
Just do it!
Ask representatives, senators, governors, prime ministers and presidents if they are reptilians.
Just do it!
Ask judges, lawyers, attorneys, court assistants, witnesses, if they are reptilians.
Do it!
Ask your generals, commanding officers and fellow soldiers if they are reptilians.
Do it!
Ask doctors, pharmacologists, psychiatrists, nurses, if they are reptilians.
Just do it!
Ask famous athletes, football players, basketball players, soccer players, Olympians, if they are reptilians.
Just do it!
Worldwide.
Do it!